world of modern warfare, drones are undeniably becoming a game-changer. From the crowded streets of Gaza to the treacherous waters of the Persian Gulf and the battlefields of Ukraine, these unmanned aerial vehicles are rewriting the rules of engagement. Imagine this. Israel, currently at war with Hamas, now faces the challenge of countering drones deployed by Hamas. These aren't just any drones, they are commercial off-the-shelf drones and loitering munitions, potentially developed with Iranian assistance, ready to rain chaos from the sky. But it's not just in the Middle East where drones are causing a stir. The US Navy warships are also contending with the evolving threat of one-way attack drones used by Iran and its proxy groups. While these warships have fared well so far, the complexity of a multi-drone attack remains a concern. And then there's Ukraine, where drone surveillance supports what its commander calls the fist of war, where tanks worth millions are being hunted by cheap hobby drones rigged with explosives. This David versus Goliath scenario is testament to how drones are leveling the playing field, forcing traditional powerhouses to rethink their strategies. Russia is now trying to counter with their own radio jammers to ground the drone attacks. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: as drone technology continues to evolve, so too will the face of warfare. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating and complex world.